Welcome, it's Justin Costello from MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. The boat just came in. It is gorgeous, a light gray hull, gray graphics, comes with a tandem axle trailer, hard top, 200 horse Mercury V6. Let's hop aboard and I can show you some of the features that this boat has. This boat is loaded if you like to fish or if you like to cruise. Perfect boat for either. You'll notice that we got the teak package, which gives you the inlaid real teak on the platforms and on the sides where you board walking through. So if you like to fish here, we got rod holders and the transom. Great for running those mahi lines in the summer. So you got 4 trolling lines in the stern, 200 horse. It's that new V6 service access point right here on the front side of the motor. You can check the oil, fill oil, all without removing the cowling. Really convenient. And then if you like to cruise, look at this. Comfortable now. You got nice seat backs, nice cushions. When we sit here, we have a grab handle right here at right where it places naturally, so your guests can cruise very comfortably. If you want to fish, simply transition the seats down. You got a nice casting platform. We also rigged this with the live bait well option. You can put a lot of bait in there. Perfect for South Florida. If you don't fish, this makes a great cooler. It is foam backed, insulated. As we work our way forward, we got bolster support, which allows you to be very comfortable while you're cruising. If you like to stand or you like to sit, you'll notice this boat is equipped with a full electronics package. Let me take the covers off and show you. Start off with this full electronics package here. We got a 7-inch Raymarine Axiom screen, smart craft gauges, which are easy to read while you're running, Fusion stereo with Bluetooth controls. We also have the glove box here, cup holders, which is nice when you're cruising, passenger and captain. Cup holders right within your reach. Digital throttle and shift, push button start, as well as even a VHF radio. The boat is ready to go, turnkey. You could be boating on this as soon as possible. We got the nice hard top, which gives you a lot of sun protection. Storage right up from your head with your life jackets. We also have this boat equipped with a portable pump out marine toilet. Lots of storage down here to keep your diving gear, fishing gear, stuff that you don't want to get wet, keep it dry. Convenient to put your charts or registration paperwork right here in the door for easy access. Moving forward, when I talk about going from fishing to cruising, Boston Whaler has been really wonderful about their engineering and their designs. Look at this large bow sun pad, backrest, so you can have a very nice social gathering up here. Underneath this, we do have a insulated fish box now, so you can throw ice in there, throw your catch in there, keep it out of your cooler. And then looking backwards, we have a Yeti cooler, which can put your drinks in. This boat's got everything you could possibly want and need to get you out on the water. Nothing better than being on the water. The days have been beautiful lately. You can give me a call, Justin Costello at MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070. Love to give you a virtual walkthrough of this boat, set up demos, etc. The boat is here in Pompano Beach. It's a 210 Montauk, loaded with electronics, fishing package, seating package, upgraded motor package. Give me a call, Justin Costello, 954-633-2070. And we'd love to get you and your family out on the water, enjoying this gorgeous spring weather that we're having. Thanks again for watching the video. Give me a call, text me, or email with any questions you have. Thanks again. Stay safe, and we look forward to hearing from you.